Hello everybody, I'm Katie E. Welcome back to my channel. I am a Scentsy independent consultant, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite parts of being a consultant with Scentsy. As a Scentsy consultant, you can get the Scent and Warmer of the Month kit early, so we get to purchase this about 2 weeks early. And so this I filmed like in the middle of August, but now it's almost September, crazy to believe. So here I'm showing you the scented stickers I can share with my customers, the room spray I can keep for myself or take on travel or wherever, share with my customers. These are the brochures with the gorgeous warmer and this delicious bakery scent. I believe it's got like butterscotch and I can't remember all the other notes. I'll put the scent notes on the description here, so you, on the video, so you can see. But in addition to that, I get 9 full-size wax bars that I'm showing you right now. That's a scent tester that I can throw in my go bag, my party bag. But that's like, it's an amazing amount of quantity for the discount that we get. And I just know that my house is going to be smelling so delicious all of September, and I just love it. So if you've considered being a consultant, this is one of the best perks in my opinion. So let me know.